So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on this. And then once you're on this, you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888. And you want to make the second line 8844. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to Chrome. Now once we're here, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then you want to go to history, and then click on history again. And then once you're on this, you want to click on delete browsing data. You want to set the time range to all time, and you want to make sure you have cookies and other site data and cache images and files both selected. Select both of these and then click on delete data. And now for the next step, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on about Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Chrome is fully up to date. If it says for you relaunch, you want to click on this, which is now going to relaunch Chrome, which will now fully update Google Chrome. And then once you're back on Chrome, you want to head over to settings again. On the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on reset settings. Now you want to click on restore settings to original defaults. You can untick this and then click on reset settings. Now you just want to close out of Chrome, open it back up again, and then the problem should be fixed.